What up YouTube, this is the Everyday Techie and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Apple AirBuds versus the Enacfire Future. Now check this out. AirPods, these babies cost about, I think it's around £159. The Enacfire Futures are $39.99. Now when you check these out on Amazon, these are the second best selling earbuds last time I checked. Okay, links to both will be in the description below. But what I was wondering is how these stack up against Apple's AirPods. Now check it out. Unless you've been living under a rock or whatever, you will know that for some reason these things are everywhere. Everywhere I look, people got these strange looking things with no wires sticking out their ears. Now unless they're fakes, they're AirPods. So we're going to dive right in, we're going to have a look at what you get and what is the best bang for your buck. Okay, let's get things moving. Grab my little unboxing knife. Right. Shout out to all my Winston brothers and sisters. Let's get this moving. Precision cut. The blade needn't be long. It need only be sharp. Okay, first let's look at these AirPods. See what we get in the box. Now, I'm going to be totally honest with you. I remember when Apple first announced AirPods, I took one look at them and I said, listen, there is no way there's just no way I'm going to be seen walking around with them in my ears. But in the name of customer service, here we are. So you've got your usual stuff in there, AirPods. I don't know anything about them, how they work or anything like that, so I'm gonna have to check that out. Instructions and stuff. And I have never ever held or seen this package. I've seen it, sorry, but I've never held it. So Apple, usual fantastic presentation. Let's get rid of that. And here we have the AirPods that everybody is going blooming crazy about, and the box feels nice, it's small, it's pocketable. These are AirPods 2, by the way, not ones. So open them up. They're nice. They're nice. They are nice. Oh my word. Okay. Okay, magnetic and everything. Ooh. Oh. Pop that there, see what else is in the box. And you got your lightning cable. Okay. So that's what you're getting for around £159. These are slightly cheaper on Amazon at the moment. I think they're about 140. There is a link in the description. Let's check out the Enacfires. Bit of a strange blooming name, Enacfire. But anyway, for 50 blooming quid or 40 quid, I don't think research and development would have been going mad. So, nice black box. Okay, Enacfire TWS Future. Okay, looks promising. So the Enacfire's IPS, so the water resistance, 500 milliamp battery, and it's saying that they got a comfort fit. Let's see what we get in the box. That is surprisingly nice. That is actually surprisingly nice. How do you blow open? Now, I have to say, yeah, these are £40. These are £160. You've got your little LED lights in here. That's quite impressive. Anyway, we're going to check them out properly shortly. Let's see what else is in the box. So you got your little LED lights. So there's obviously charge on the box. Let's see what else you get in here. Okay. It's, yeah. Underneath, you've got your buds, some little ear tips. Okay. You have your USB. Yeah, it's USB, that's not USB-C. USB-C, that's your standard USB universal cable. You got some feedback stuff, little cards, certificate of authentication or inspection. So it passed inspection, I'd like to think so. And you got a nice little pouch. So I suppose if you're traveling, that's a good look. Keep your case nice. I have to say, yeah, for £39, let me give them a wipe, get the fingerprints off. For £39, guys, for £39, that is not a bad look, okay? That's not bad. Tell me what you think. Hit me up in the description below. Let me know what your thoughts are. £39. Looking at the charging cases, this is down to preference. You've got the Enacfire, it's a nicely designed case. To say the buds are quite small, I think they could have got the case a bit smaller, but it is still, you would not have a problem being out and about with this in your pocket. Absolutely not. It's not. I thought it was going to be massive. When I seen the size of the box, I was like, okay, it's going to be massive. The EarPods are smaller and more streamlined, but it's going to come down to how they perform. So I'm going to get these paired up, I'm going to bang on some music, make a call and see what they are saying. I'm also going to check range as well. So let's keep it moving. Let's talk about connectivity. Now, I use an iPhone. I have the iPhone 11. So some of the B-roll and stuff for this video is and will be shot on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let me know what you think. Let's see what pairing's like now. I've never used one of these before. Now all I know is apparently all I need to do is click this open. And boom, connect. This is not going to come close to that. That is just on another level. Okay, got them bad boys on deck. Okay, so let's check out the experience of pairing the Enacfires. And I'd imagine this will be the same for any smartphone. So let's check it out. You open the box, take the buds out. Ooh, the magnets are good, man. They're open. So you take the buds out, go to Bluetooth. And there you go, Enacfire. And you're connected. You get your little audio sound telling you that you're connected. But that's quite a seamless. It's quite a seamless process. No need to switch them on. You take them out. They automatically switch on when you take them out of the case. They go into pairing mode if it's for the first time, and then you select connect. Nowhere near as seamless as the AirBuds, but that's nice. You don't need to press no buttons. I like it. So let's talk about the design. Yeah, it's hard to beat the design of the AirPods. The charger or the charging box is brilliant. Lightning cable, charge it up. These are lovely. but the build quality isn't quite on par with Apple. It's damn good for what you are paying for. So pound for pound, I would probably give it to the Enacfires just because they are a third of the price. But these are beautiful. I might be starting to understand why people like AirPods. So let me try them for comfort. Like I say, I've never used AirPods, sorry, I keep calling them AirPods, AirPods, I do apologise. You got your little LED light in there to show you that they're charging. Listen, hands down, for comfort, the AirPods. Even though I'm quite sure they probably look like a ding dong with these on. Alright, they sound better than I expected. Let me see what else I've got on here. Oh, bit of Talib Kweli, if you know, you know, boy. Alright. Okay. AirPods are thrown down the gauntlet. Let's get rid of these. Put them back in the case, I have to say. My brother's been going on about these things to me for ages. Now, he likes a bit of Apple. He's also a bit of an Android fan. He uses Sennheisers, uses all kinds of different headphones, a bit like myself. But he's been going on about them for a long time. And I've seen everybody using them for a long time. You know, after you wear them and you get over that silly look, looks like they might just be the truth, mate. So let's try these Enacfires, okay? Let's try these for sound quality and fit. Straight away, straight off the bat, I prefer the fit of the AirPods. The Apple AirPods. AirPods, get it right. Ooh, connected. Left channel, right channel. I like it, talking to me. Alright, let's see what you sound like. Okay, this is quite an easy one. The AirPods sound better. These sound better than I expected them to sound. These, that's probably where you're saving your money, is on the drivers and that kind of technology. They'll do. If you need some headphones and you want some earbuds that are cheap as chips, they'll do. In fact, so it's fair, I'm going to try a better fitting bud because I like a sealed bud. So let me try and seal the buds and I'm going to try them again. For £39, they are not bad. They're not bad at all. For £39, they're solid. They are solid. Oh my word! I'm gonna have to try the AirPods again because this is a pretty close one. This is close, man. This is but listen. The chip in this, the way they work seamlessly, you're not getting anything that isn't from Apple that's going to give you that experience, yeah. Wow. Let's go again. So they've charged up to 100% since I've been using them. So now what I will say is the sound quality on these straight away is nicer than that. It just seems to be a richer sound quality. Is it the best you can get on earbuds? Well, obviously I do not think that will be the case. You've got the Bose, you've got the Sony M3s, but these, they sound nice. They sound nice, very nice. Okay, so out of the box, your earpods are set to, if you double tap each headphone, both of them skip a track forward. To change that, go to your AirPods, go into information, and then you can name your AirPods, whatever you want to call them. You can have them, and then you can then set them up to do whatever you want. So this is based on a double click. Okay, so you can either play and pause your music, you can skip to the next track, or you can go to the previous track. So not as much functionality as I would have wanted, but there's a little there. And another thing is you've got automatic ear detection. So when you take them out your ears, they'll pause. You take both of them out your ears, they'll eventually switch off. So it's kind of cool. But I would expect nothing less from EarPods. Call quality is fantastic. So with the Enacfire, in your Bluetooth settings, you don't have any adjustment. However, each headphone has a function button. Okay, the function button either stops and plays your track with one push. It'll start and stop. It'll either start or stop your music. Double tap on your left skips a track backwards. Double tap on your right skips a track forward. And again, you've got that start and stop functionality. Again, all you have to do is say, "Hey Siri," and you've got Siri on deck. Okay, so functionality wise, you work that out for yourself. I prefer the functionality, the button response and all that kind of stuff of the Enacfires. Okay, sometimes you just want to stop your music and all that stuff on the fly. With the EarPods, you want to stop your track, you've got to take one out of your ears. With the EarPods, you've got a microphone on each EarPod, so you can use either EarPod on their own. With the Enacfire, you can only use your left EarPod. The microphone is only in the left earbud. Let me break it down. The AirPods cost £159. The Enacfires cost £39. The AirPods have controls on them. You can skip back, you can skip forwards, you can choose what controls you want. You can use the left earphone by itself. You've got that wonderful Apple chip, the U1 chip, which is just, it makes pairing the phone absolutely seamless. You just cannot compare with that. The build quality, I would say, on the AirPods is better, even though the Enacfires are absolutely brilliant. You've got an IP rating, IP5, so I would say that splash, a bit of water resistance. You don't have that on the AirPods. You get a nice little case with the Enacfires. You get a real solid deal with the Enacfires. The fit of the AirPods, I think the fit of those, they are so comfortable. They might look, in my opinion, I'm not dissing anybody, but in my opinion, they look blooming ridiculous. But the fit and the feel, they're so nice. They're really nice. And these probably make a really nice present for people. Do you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, anything blooming Apple, it's like top of the food chain, in it. So really nice present. But these, I don't think anybody's going to complain at these. Once you've got the right ear tips and stuff, the fit and that is really nice. It's just not as comfortable as the EarPods. Not as comfortable at all. Sound quality, really good. Connectability is really good. Okay, so listen, right now I'm just waffling on. And this is how I'm going to break it down. AirPods are absolutely fantastic. You cannot play with them bad boys, yeah? For the money, for the price, connectability, use an iPhone, iOS, they're your boys. But listen, the Enacfires, for that price, it's a cheap night out. It's a cheap night out, and you even get to take a little something home. So yo, work it out for yourself, yeah? Either way, you cannot go wrong. It's your everyday techie, and I'm out. Peace.